Hello guys, welcome to Preet'sCarWorld. Today I'm going to show you this car. This car is called the Mercedes G-63 and this is my dream car. It is powered by a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 producing around 585 horsepower and a total torque output of around 850 Nm of torque. As you can see that the blinkers are over here. They used these blinkers in the first model, which was the Mercedes G63 first gen, and they still add this blinker to the new Mercedes G63 like this. Mercedes started making this model of the G63 in 2018, and they've sold around 3,000 models of these cars. Let's move on to the tires. Mercedes fit this car with special tires. These tires are 285/35 Michelin Cup tires, which are extremely big and are extremely grippy, but they're not the grippiest in the world. As you can see, they fit this car with a 280mm brake caliper, but they fit this car with the brake system, which is extremely strong. This brake has 10 piston calipers, and that brake can stop this car from 100 miles per hour in around 41 meters, which is extremely good because this car weighs in around 2.5 tons, which is extremely heavy. But this car weighs this much because of how much luxury it has. Okay, let's move on to the back. So this car is fitted with a special urban kit, as it says over here. This is the urban kit. They fit this car with a special carbon fiber wheel cover, and they fit this car with many body kit features. Okay. They also made this color specially tinted because urban parts make this more cooler and make the color. They tweak the color a bit. You can see from the urban pack they made the arches a bit wider, and which makes the car look more pronounced. Let's move on to the other side. You can see that they fit this car with both sides with arches, and they're one of the biggest in the world, and they make this car look more better, but this car doesn't have a really good eco-efficiency because of the boxy shape of it. This car has a total eco-efficiency of 0.28, which is okay for a car like this. Urban also fit this car with a special tow hook, which makes the car more easier for it to be a daily life car. This car can pull around 8 tons, and which is extremely good for a SUV like this. And they fit this car with special hooks to make the door more easier to open and doesn't screech as much as the normal one. Okay, let's move on to the front. So you can see here that they fit this car with a special front-facing camera, which makes it easier for the driver to park, because there is a 360 view camera, which makes it extremely easy and more maneuverable. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you liked my video. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Please consider subscribing and liking to my channel to help me make new videos. Thank you. Bye.